This short video will show you how to use Skitch as part of this lesson. So Skitch is a tool that you can use to take a picture or an image and then annotate it. So in this lesson you are looking at how do I learn best. What you're going to do either in a pair or as a group is you're going to take photos which show you working in a certain way. So you might take a photo of somebody in your group working on their own and put a title of I work best on my own. Or you might take a picture of all of you working together as a group and put I work best working as a group. Once you've done that, you're going to think about what are the positives of working in that way or learning in that way, and what are the negatives. And Skitch is the tool that we're going to use to do that. So let me show you how it works. You need to make sure first of all that you have Skitch installed and you have ES File Explorer installed. Now in our group everyone was asked to do that last lesson, so I know that you have those tools already. We're going to go into Skitch, and there are a few different things that you can do here. You can take a photo or you can choose a photo. So you might decide it's quickest just to take a photo there and then using Skitch. I've already taken a photo, so I'm going to go to choose a photo and find that in the gallery. And this is a photo I've taken to represent me learning best by listening to music. That's not actually true. I learn best when things are quiet, but I'm just going to use this as an example. So I've got that photo. That might be a photo you've taken of somebody in your class or of you or of a group. I'm now going to put a title on it. I'm going to choose my colour carefully. I'm going to start off with the title, making that black. And I'm going to choose the text tool and just type in I learn best. Being careful to use capitals. Listening to music or with background noise or whatever you want. Right, so that could be my title. I can move it around. You can actually make it bigger or smaller by doing that. You can rotate it if you want to as well. Just by moving your fingers around. Actually, your rotate is over there. Slightly different to the app I'm used to using. Okay. Now what I would then do is start annotating it with positives and negatives. So my positives I'm going to do in green. Let's leave that one black, click off it, then choose green. Then go back to the text tool. And one positive is this stops me getting bored. Okay, think it's too large, well that's fine. Click on it and I can make it a little bit smaller and move it along. You get the idea. If you actually move it along even further, it just makes the page bigger like that. So you can fit a little bit extra on if you want to. I would come up with all of the positives. Now I'm going to come up with the drawbacks. So a drawback for me of working in this way is I find it's hard to concentrate when I'm listening to music. So there we go. And you can see that it's extended that out to give me a little bit more room there as well. So I'd list all of those things down there. You can also add things like arrows. So if I click on that little pen tool there, I've got shapes that I can use to highlight things. I can scribble, or the one that I normally use is the arrow. So I might want to point to the headphone or something like that. It's up to you. You decide what you're going to do. But that's what you're going to do. You're going to set up some photos of people in your group learning in the ways that they learn best, and then you're going to annotate it to say what's good about learning that way and what is not so good about learning that way. Now this is the important bit to make sure you save it. To save it you need to click on the three dots here. I'll just move my hand a bit so you can see them a bit better. So the three dots at the top right, and then go to Save Image to SD. and then just choose save image like that. So that's now saved. Now to upload that to the class blog, which you're going to do with each of the photos you annotate, you just need to get into Mobile Frog. I've already got mine open just for speed. Click on your class code and that will take you straight to the class blog. You won't see the screen that I've just had. And then you add a new post just here. Give it a title, which could be something like I learn best with background noise. And then you choose a file. This is where you use ES File Explorer. And you need to go into the Skitch folder. And then you've got this one here, that's the image that I've annotated. Add post. And that is now uploaded to the class blog for everybody to see. Okay, so hopefully that gives you a good idea about how to use Skitch and then how to upload it to the class blog.